Hey Harley Riders, thanks for watching another video by DK Custom Products. Today we're bringing you a video that was made by a customer of ours and he has figured out a brilliant way to convert a car lift or a truck lift into a trike lift. He's a dedicated rider, both the 2 wheels and 3 wheels, customer of DK Custom Products, and he made this video specifically for us. So let's take a look at it.
My name's Wendell Turn, and I made a trike lift on my regular lift. Here is the owner's manual. I think I bought it from Best Lifts. All right, but anyway, what it does, of course, it's a 12,000 pound car lift, but I made a trike lift out of it. The thing that makes it so great is, as you can tell, I'm not a small man, nor am I a young man. But I can get under it, and I'm going to duck under here just so I can point some stuff. And it makes it incredibly easy. From D&K Customs, I got the oil filter relocate, the oil cooler, bought these passenger footrest. All of this stuff is right here. Just so easy to get to. Also, I'm gonna run it the rest of the way up. I'm gonna duck under here. And I did the comfort lift, trike lift, and as you can see, come on under here, babe. As you can see, I'm able to get up under here. I can stand all the way up. I don't have it quite all the way up yet. Also made it where I can take, this is for the front wheel. But I can take this off of it, move it out of the way so I can get to everything that's under there. I installed that trailer hitch. See, I can get under here. I'm 6'1". I can get under here and work. That shocks if I want them. Right now I've just got the comfort lift. But I made this out of angle iron, and I'll show more in detail of it in just a second. But also, even on the as Kevin has when he was installing his or anybody else, this is specifically for trikes, but of course, you could put a bike on it. I mean, I've got the regular wheel chock there, but this made running the lines very, very easy, very clean for the oil filter relocate, because you can get under here. The only drawback to it, I guess, is having to duck under or step over the arms, but, I mean, you got to trade off something, I suppose. I also even have, come over on this side, babe. Also from D&K Custom Products, I did the little catch can for the...
Show that again.
The little catch can down in there for the little, it's got the factory breather on it. Well, I had stage 1 done at Harley. And I did catch can and I put it there, and it made it real easy to fix it, because I could get right in there, you know, chest high and work on it. I'll get it on the ground. I'm gonna back the trike off of it so you can see what it is actually I did. now we can go in here and look at what I did. And of course, this is removable, but because of the way my arms are, I had to notch out. This is 2-inch, 3-inch by 1.5 angle. And I just welded the flat bars on it. And then I have these round pieces. They're actually 1.5-inch pipe that goes into those holes. That on when you have it set up for the regular configuration.
And
this is where these go. The little pads that you can use it to pick up a car with. The front one is basically the same way. Still the 3x2 or 3x1.5 inch, some little 2-inch channel iron, and just welded it all together. Something that I chose this lift because of the asymmetrical arms. Okay, it's got the asymmetrical arms on it, and of course they go in and out as the case may be. But these, this lift has, and I don't know, this is my only lift I've ever had. This one, if you let it all the way down, then it pushes these little pins up. Then you can move these in or out. But with this, if I lift it up just that much, the arms are locked in place. So therefore, when you roll up on it, it won't move. I guess that's it. Got any questions?
what's your opinion on the lift?
I love the lift. I wish I would have done it. As you can see, it's brand new. I wish I would have done it 20 years ago. I would, it's going to make, as you can see, all the stuff out there. I got Jeeps, I got trucks. There's a trike over there, there's a bike there. I got all kinds of stuff. And
so you would recommend it 10 out of 10?
Absolutely.
You would get it again, okay.
I would, yeah. If this one breaks tomorrow, I'll get one. It'll be replaced very soon.
From the same company?
From the same company. I like this lift, like I said, because of these asymmetrical arms. This thing will, these arms, let me let that down so to release it. But this will go straight back, and then this one will go straight back. So that to me is awesome. And you can put it, of course, anywhere you want, and then bring them in or out as you want them. But then as soon as you lift it, they lock into place.
Happy riding.
Y'all have a good day, safe day.
Huge thanks to Wendell for that video. It was a pretty ingenious idea that he came up with, and you can see how easy it is to work on. It's not something that everybody can do, but it may be of interest to you. You may have the space and the ability to put that in at your shop or your home. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so that you'll know when a new video comes out. And if you like this video, found it enjoyable, click that thumbs up button. Y'all ride safe out there.